Hello, Kimberly. My Kimmy. I love you, baby, more than anything in this world, okay? I just want you to know how much I do love you. You mean more to me than life itself. You are my baby. You are my life. And I really want to make this work. And I hope you love me. I really do. It feels good to be loved by a special lady like you. You're the best thing that's ever happened to me, baby. And I love you more than life itself. I see you just now signed on, and it just made me smile so much, 'cause you are my sweetheart, you are my love, and I do want you to be my wife. I want to spend the rest of my life with you, baby, 'cause you are the wonderful, wonderful, wonderful girl, and don't you ever think different, okay? And don't be scared, baby. We can make this work, okay? Don't be scared at all, because I'll never hurt you. I love you, baby, so much, okay? I love you, sweetheart.